Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins. I want to share a quick little fact with you about why you have to be really careful about this stock market decline. The Federal Reserve pushed these prices to the levels that they're at right now, mainly by reducing interest rates for a long time. And typically, reducing interest rates, that's what they do to respond to a weakening economy. And they overdid it. They overdid it during COVID, even because the economy actually did well when it was supposed to go down. And one thing that was just brought to my attention that I think is very important to understand about this market decline is that there's never been, from what I understand, a time where the stock market hit a bottom while the Fed was increasing interest rates. So what does that mean? That means that the Fed is actually trying to harm the economy while the economy appears to be eventually heading south. All right. So typically in a situation like this where you might be heading into a recession and all this other stuff, the Fed is actually reducing interest rates to deal with the recession. But now the Fed cannot reduce interest rates because that'll only increase inflation. So they have to fight the inflation by increasing the interest rates. So this basically is, it's almost like going to the hospital because you're sick and then your mother coming and punching you in the face because she wants to toughen you up. Why would she toughen you up while you're sick? But that's what the Fed has to do because inflation is just way too high and I can't even argue with it. But I wanted to let you guys know this. So this is an unprecedented decline. A lot of people think it's what you call cyclical, which means it may not be as bad as some people are thinking. It's not what they call structural. A structural recession is much worse than a cyclical one. So that's the good news. So anyway, I hope that information helps you with your investing. I am aiming for higher quality companies right now. You're talking about companies at the top of the food chain, the Amazons, Walmart, stuff like that, maybe Google or whatever the case may be. But some of these fly-by-night companies or these weak investments like Dogecoin, this ain't the time to do it. Unless you have something that you think is not going to go bankrupt and you want to hold it for several years. So that's my 2 cents. I was just thinking about that this morning. I wanted to share that with you guys. Feel free to go to blackmoneyminute.com. I have a list of 9 stocks that I really like as long-term investments, and you can have that list for free. Just get on our newsletter, and I'll send you some more free information as well, and we'll send you the list of stocks. So take care, guys. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Peace.